Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about the Bento box for kids. Child's lunchbox is Bento. It's about their health. There are many types of lunchbox on the market today, and based on our experience, I have selected the 5 Bento boxes to showcase. Our company has over 14 years of experience in manufacturing and selling kitchenware. You can watch the video to choose the best bento lunchbox for your kids. So let's get started. Number 1. The multicolored bento box. This bento box is easy to open with its air vent. Locking on all sides for a secure fit. The inner liner is made of 304 stainless steel, a dual lace and reactive ring. The silicone ring to prevent leaks. Built-in folding spoon for cleanliness and hygiene. Fill with the right amount of water to test the leak-proof. Shake the lunchbox and water will not leak. Importantly, it can also be heated over water, so you don't have to worry about food get cold. Number 2. Square wooden printing tipping bento lunchbox for kids. The elastic strap design keeps the lunchbox in place and prevents it from falling apart. Built-in cutlery, portable and hygienic. Double-layer design for more food storage. Top and bottom layers have air vents for easy lid opening. Flexible divider to prevent odors. Number 3. Plastic sealed food container with cutlery bento lunchbox for kids. Made of food-grade PP material, resistant to cold and heat. Built-in fork and spoon for convenience and hygiene. Locking design. Food does not spill easily. Silicone ring. Removable for easy cleaning. Separation design to prevent food streaming. Number 4. Stainless steel 3-compartment food bento lunchbox for kids. Comes with its own fork and spoon for convenience and hygiene. Open the airtight vent to easily open the lunchbox. Silicone ring. Removable for easy cleaning. Food grade 304 stainless steel material. Healthy and safe. Fill with water. Shake the lunchbox. Water will not leak. The lunchbox is well sealed. It can also be heated over water, so you don't have to worry about food getting cold. Number 5. Portable plastic sealed thermal building block lunchbox. Double layer design at the top. Good thermal solution. The silicone ring has good air tightness. Detachable color small lunchbox. Can be directly used in microwave oven. Building block design. Easy to carry and suitable for children. The bottle high density. PU insulation layer can effectively keep heat, but cannot be put into the microwave oven. These are the 5 lunchboxes introduced this time. Which one do you like better?